Most people don't know the IRS has been willing to forgive a first-time penalty for years. You just had to know to ask for it. As of this month, you don't have to ask anymore. Here's how penalty relief used to work. Let's say you filed or paid late and got hit with a failure to file or failure to pay penalty. Relief was available, but you had to go ask for it yourself. You called the IRS or sent a letter and asked for something called a first-time penalty abatement. If you had 3 years of clean filing history or 12 straight quarters as a quarterly filer, the IRS would grant it. If you didn't know to ask, you just paid the penalty. That changed on July 8th. The IRS announced a new process called Automatic Exemption from Penalty, or AEP. It uses that same 3-year clean history standard, but now if you slip up and file or pay late this year, and your last 3 years were clean, the IRS automatically applies relief on its own. No call, no letter, no request. This is phasing in right now for 2025 tax returns and 2026 quarterly filings, and it becomes fully effective for original returns due on or after January 1st, 2027. A couple of things worth clarifying. This is not the same as a reasonable cause abatement. If your penalty relief argument is based on something like a natural disaster or a serious illness, that still requires you to request it directly. And it isn't a free pass for people who are chronically late. It's built specifically for someone with an otherwise clean track record who slips up once. If you've ever paid a penalty without realizing relief was even available, you learned something new today. Going forward, for the average compliant taxpayer, a penalty caused by a one-time mistake might just disappear. Hit like if this is a relief to hear and comment with your ideas for upcoming tax tips.